Hi, everybody. I am here to give you a brief demo on the HR module of the Aiosell PMS all-in-one and ERP system. As you know, Aiosell PMS system is an all-in-one system which combines all areas of a hotel operations. We've already covered a channel manager and RMS. Within the PMS, you have all front desk operations like stay view, rooms view, reservation, guests, companies, reports, point of sale. Then you have a lot of ERP features like stores and purchases, maintenance and housekeeping, accounts, operations. For the purpose of this video, we will focus on the HR and the staff management system. So in the HR and staff management system, we cover multiple aspects. We cover the employees' details. We cover attendance that typically is recorded by the staff of the hotel and the salary that we can configure for each staff that can be processed from within the system. So now the HR module can be configured in two particular ways. It can be configured at a hotel level, which is most probably the most common case, or it can be configured at the group level, which is only in case of large hotels or large groups where you have multiple hotels and you want to do a common staff management and salary processing. So we will ignore that discussion for now and keep the entire discussion focused at the employee, at the hotel level. Here you will see a list of all staff. You'll see the departments. You can see the staff who are active, the staff who are resigned. Technically, you can add an employee. An employee will have many areas, like you have in the staff for the employee. You can have all details of the employee, including name, department, position, gender, date of joining, date of exit, their current status. You can have their bank account numbers, like the account numbers on which you want their salaries to be transferred to. You can have their salary details, so their gross salary, their process salary, which is on you want to process their salary or not, any of their payment modes. You can have a way to split salary configurations. Now, this is relevant in some geographies. In certain cases, you can leave all of this blank if you don't want their salary to be calculated at a particular level. You can track their leaves, their paid leaves and their casual leaves, any advance you give them and any advance installments. You can track any regulatory items like Provident Fund or any kind of 401k and any numbers that you want there. And you can have their IDs loaded. So you can have their IDs like their driver's license or their passport or their voter ID. You can give the number and upload a photo in there. So now for the sake of discussion, I will use one or two of them as an example. So here let's go to the active salaries and let's assume if we go to one of the, we have all the details of the staff, we have their salary details, we have any of their regulatory numbers, in this case there isn't, and we have any of their personal identification details. So this is how you can add any employee onto the particular Aiosell HR system. Now, next, let's come to the, you can download this entire employee details in one Excel chart. You can download it at a group level also, but we'll not cover that. The next thing is the attendance. So all this, the hotel can record all the attendance of the staff as what their attendance types are. So in this case, we have configured the attendance types as present, absent, weekly off, paid leave, casual leave, national holiday, or something else that is UL. But you can configure these attendance types in your system. So if we go to any of the previous months, for example, you will see all the staff has their attendance recorded. So you can see which ones were they paid, their present, their week off, their absent, their leave, and so on and so forth. So this is a very easy way for you to record all the staff attendance. Now, once you have all the staff attendance, you can and you have their salary calculations mentioned in the salary section that I mentioned, then you can actually go and process salary at the hotel level. Once you process the salary will come. So for example, in the previous month, if I go, the salary will be calculated. So for each of the staff, you will have a gross salary, you will have an earned salary, which is based on the number of working days, and you can have any amount of additional salary or a salary deduction and hence calculate the paid salary onto that. So this is a very easy way. It may take some time to configure, but once it's configured properly, you will just have to have the employee details entered. You'll have to mark their attendance, and then you will have to process their salary, and voila, you have the entire salary showed here. And in certain countries, we have the ability to generate the salary into a bank transfer file, but this is available for certain countries only. And hopefully this gave you a good overview of the HR module. This HR module can also be configured and rolls back. Once the salary is processed, we can roll back into any P&L statements. So suppose you have a monthly P&L statement that you want to calculate, all the salary expenses that are processed will actually automatically show in there for the particular hotel. That will help you manage your entire P&L of the hotel very easily. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.